Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Logitech mouse is not working, watch this video to make it run. Now the first thing we need to do is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For that we need to press the Windows and the R key simultaneously and enter this command msdt.exe hyphen id space device diagnostic and press enter. Now we need to press advanced and click on apply and make sure apply repairs automatically is ticked and press enter, and it will start detecting problems and it will fix the problems. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to update the Windows drivers. For that what we need to do is we need to click on Windows plus the I key, and then we'll go down to Windows Update. All right, so the Windows device installs settings enable, click on enter, and the hardware and devices troubleshooter will again go into the troubleshooting mode. Till then we will get back to this function and we will click on Windows Update, and then we will look for optional updates in Finder setting, optional updates, and click enter, and view optional updates, click enter, and if there are any optional updates we will update it. Now since that is over, we will now, if none of these options work, we will now do a system restore. For that we need to press the Windows and the R button and enter the command RSTRUI and press enter. Now we will click on enter, we'll select enter, and we will select enter, and the system will be restored. This will solve the problem. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.